boys and girls. This is Mrs. Bowser. I missed you so much. I'm so glad you're back with me today. Today we're going to learn another way to find out the meaning of words in a non-fiction text. The way we're going to do it today is through context clues. What could context clues mean? Let's look. We're going to figure out the meanings of unfamiliar words. That's what context clues is. Unfamiliar words that we might not know. We're going to look for clues for these words. We're going to look at examples. We might find an example in our text that tells us the meaning of words. We might find the definition. So these are ways that we might look for to find the meanings of our words. We also might find a synonym. Remember, boys and girls, what a synonym is? A synonym means the same thing. So if you find a synonym in a word, it means the same as that word. Also, lastly, we might also find an antonym. And if we know synonyms are the same, antonyms are opposite. Good job, boys and girls. We're going to look at an article we have right here. And the article is Look Both Ways, Elephants. Let's see if we can get that up nicely so we can all see it. Do we have it? There we are. We have it. So let's look. Last week, we used some clues to help us in the meanings of words, like pictures. We looked for pictures to give us the meaning of words. That was one way. And we can see there's elephants, and they're going through a tunnel. So that might help us find the meanings of words. Let's read Make Way for Animals and look for words that we might know. I'm going to get my handy dandy magnifying glass because we're looking for clues, remember? So let's use this to find out what clues we can discover. First of all, a family of elephants lived in a beautiful grassy habitat. I'm not sure what that word means. Well, let's look and see if we can find some clues, some context clues. The habitat has tasty plants to eat. Well, that gives us part of the meaning. It has cool water to drink. It has shady trees to rest under. Well, I think a habitat is a place where elephants live. Do you agree, boys and girls? Good job. So we know a habitat is where people or animals live. And it provides food, water, and a safe place to rest or sleep. Good job, boys and girls. Let's try another one. See if we can figure out the meaning by the context clues. Okay, let's look. A safe solution. People have come up with a solution. They built paths that let animals cross roads safely. These are called wildlife corridors. I'm not really sure what wildlife corridors are, but I think they might have told us the definition right in the paragraph. People have come up with a solution. They build paths that let animals cross roads safely. So I think maybe wildlife corridors are paths that are built so animals can cross the road safely. Do you agree, boys and girls? Nice job. Context clues. Let's look one more context clue over here. Here it is. Let's read this paragraph. Different animals prefer to use different kinds of corridors. Some animals like moose and deer like open spaces. They prefer bridge corridors that are open to the sky. Okay, so the word prefer, I'm not really sure what that word means, boys and girls. So I'm going to use my context clues to find out that word. Well, is there a antonym? No, I don't think so. How about a synonym? A word that means the same? No. Let's read it again. Different animals prefer to use different kinds of corridors. Some animals, like moose and deer, like open spaces. They prefer bridge corridors that are open to the sky. So I might think from the sentence, prefer means maybe that's what they like. They like that better. I think that makes sense. So different animals like to use different kinds of corridors. Yes, now I know that prefer means like. Nice job, boys and girls, using all our context clues. So, when you read a story, don't forget to use context clues, which means I use other words to figure out the word I don't know. Nice job, boys and girls. 2 thumbs up. I'll see you next week. And what I'd like you to do is go to our Scholastic News on our Eastview website and look for a story in Scholastic and read it. And when you come to a word you don't know, use your context clues. Bye-bye. See you soon. Mwah.